Good morning, children of class 3. Today in grammar, we are going to read about the simple future tense that comes in future tense. So, the simple future tense is used for indicating those actions that we think will happen in the future. So, these actions which are going to happen in the future or that will happen in the future, and future is what? It is the time which has not come now but is going to come afterwards. So those actions, those are going to be going to take place afterwards are called are said to be in the future tense. In other words, we predict the future. So in other words, we can say that we are predicting the future, that what is going to happen in the future. Now, to refer to something that is going to take place in the future. The same thing, that to refer to talk about something, about the actions that will happen in the future. For example, teacher will give out the book soon. So here we are saying that the teacher, she will give out the books soon. She has not given the books. The children are waiting. So the teacher will give out the books soon. Then the orchids will bloom in a few days. So the orchids is a flower. Then that it is a bud now. It has not become a flower, but it is going to become a flower in a few days. Ravi will collect the money soon. So Ravi, he has not collected the money, but he is going to collect the money soon. Then let us see the formation. How to form simple future tense, like positive sentence. Okay, how do we talk about? Subject plus will plus V1 form plus. So in plus there can be an object, like, so V1 is what? V1 is the V1 form of the verb at the same base form. So in that case, we don't change the verb. Verb will be as it is. Like, let us see one example. Like, you will win the exam. In here, subject is what? Subject is you. Okay. Then will is in the same, like in future we use will. Then win is the V1 form. Then the exam object. Now in the negative, subject plus will not plus V1 plus. So subject, what is the subject? Like in number 5 we see, he will not or won't. So we can use won't also in place of will not. He will not call us. So that is a negative sentence, that he will not call us. Then in question, will plus subject plus V1. So will, there is in the question form or interrogative form. Will, when you are asking a question, okay, when we are asking a question, we use will. Like, see, will you wait for me? So he's asking that, will you wait for me? Will plus subject is you plus wait is a verb, for me object. So there are different examples given. You will win the exam. I will see you later. She will help him tomorrow. He will be there soon. And then see one more. Your mother will love you forever. So these are the positive sentences. Okay. And last one also. We will see better days. That is also a positive sentence. Negative sentences. He will not or won't call us. Then I will not or won't stay this hotel. In this hotel it will be. Then question sentence. Will you wait for me or will she do it again? These are the question sentences or interrogative sentences. Now let us see. Future or will be going to. Let us see. When do we use it? So to make a prediction about the distant uncertain future, so we don't know what is going to happen in the future, so we use this will. He will become a great engineer. So it is prediction that, okay, he will become a great engineer. Then to offer our help to somebody or to make a promise, so we use this will to offer our help or to make a promise. We will help you with your schoolwork. So promising that, okay, we will help you with your schoolwork. Then to make a request, requesting will you lend me your laptop? So he's asking that, okay, requesting that, will you help me or lend me your laptop? I want it. Then with will, we often use I think, I believe, I hope, I promise, I know. So there can be sentences like, I think you will become a great person, like that, or I believe that you are going to change yourself. Then, now see, we can use a simple future tense when we predict a future event or situation, like we have done before. I think that the white robot will win the race. Thinking that this white robot will win the race. When we make decisions at the time of speaking. So what time do you want to meet tomorrow morning? So I'll meet you at 10. So deciding, making decision at the time. The person is asking that at what time are you going to meet tomorrow morning? He is saying that I will meet you at 10. So decided at that time only that at 10 I am going to meet you. I'll meet you tomorrow. Now see, further notes. With I and we can use shall instead of will. So with I and we can use shall instead of will. So we will also, we can say we shall also. Invite them to the party. I will or I shall help you with your homework. Then short form for will not and shall not are won't and shan't. So they will not we can use, or they won't come tomorrow. We shall not or we shan't go to the party. So instead of will not we can say won't also. Instead of shall not, shan't also. Now see, affirmative, negative and interrogative. Let us do with some example. I will see or I shall see. Then in negative for the same sentence, I will not see or I shall not see. In the interrogative, will I see or shall I see? Okay, this we have used with I and I. Okay, now with you will see, you will not or you won't see. Will you see? Okay, then he, she or it will see. With he, she, it we use will. With you also we use will. But with I we can use will or shall both. Then he, she or it won't see. Then will he, she, it see. Okay. Means will he see, will she see or will it see. It's not that together we will say. He will see, she will see, it will see, like that. Now, we will see or we shall see. We will not see or we shall not see. Means won't also you can use over there. If we won't see or we shan't see. Then will we see or shall we see most often. Now, they will see, they won't see, will they see. Okay. These in the negative we have used won't or shan't, and interrogative we have started with will, and in the affirmative we have used that subject plus will or shall plus verb plus the object. So here there is no object, only the verb. So thank you children, and do your chapter 17 nicely in your book. Understand and then do it very nicely. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.